Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Farm animals. Farm 就是农场 ，farm animals 农场上的动物。Let's look at the first animal. Can you tell me who am I? Yes, I'm a cat. I meow. I love fish. I live in a cattery. The house of a cat is called a cattery. Children, can you read the sentences with me? I'm a cat. I meow. I love fish. I live in a cattery. Alright, let's go to the second animal. Who am I? I'm a dog. I bark. I love bones. I live in a kennel. The house of a dog is called a kennel. Although a dog sounds wolf, but we said it barks. A dog barks. Alright, can you read the sentences with me? I'm a dog. I bark. I love bones. I live in a kennel. Very good. Now, who am I? I'm a chicken. I cluck. I love rice. I live in a coop. Now, can you read with me? I'm a chicken. I cluck. I love rice. I live in a coop. Let's move on. Who am I? I'm a dog. I quack. I love corn. I live in a pond. Can you read the sentences with me? I'm a duck. I quack. I love corn. I live in a pond. Yes, we know sometimes a duck can go on the ground, but usually it lives in a pond. It likes to stay in the water. Alright? Who am I? Yes, I'm a rabbit. I squeak. I love carrots. I live in a burrow. Burrow means a cave, a small cave for rabbit. And the rabbit, it touches its teeth. That's squeak. Alright? Can you read with me? I'm a rabbit. I squeak. I love carrots. I live in a burrow. Very good. Who am I? I'm a pig. I oink. I love vegetables. I live in a pigsty. Can you read with me? I'm a pig. I oink. I love vegetables. I live in a pigsty. Pigsty is the house of a pig. Now look at this. Who am I? I'm a cow. I moo. love grass. I live in a shed. The house of a cow is called a shed. Can you read with me? I'm a cow. I moo. I love grass. I live in a shed. Good. Now, who am I? This is a goat. So look at this. I'm a goat. I bleed. I love grass. I live in a pen. This is not the pen that you use to write, children, but a pen here is the house for a goat. Now, can you read with me, please? I'm a goat. I bleed. I love grass. I live in a pen. Very well, children. Next, we are going to look at an animal which is very similar to a goat. Do you know what is it? Alright, this is the animal. I'm a sheep. I bleed. I love grass. I live in a pen. Is it similar to a goat? Yes. Now, read with me. I'm a sheep. I bleed. I love grass. I live in a pen. Well done, children. Let's move on. Who am I? I'm a horse. I neigh. I love grass. I live in a stable. Can you read with me? I'm a horse. I neigh. I love grass. I live in a stable. Very good, children. Do you remember how many animals have you learned today? Try to count and see. Yes, you have learned 10 animals. You have learned 10 farm animals today. We learned about the cat, the dog, the chicken, the duck, the rabbit, the pig, the cow, the goat, the sheep, and the horse. Look at the cat. A cat meows. A cat eats fish. A cat lives in a cattery. What about a dog? A dog barks. A dog likes bones. A dog lives in a kennel. A chicken clucks. A chicken likes rice. A chicken lives in a coop. A duck quacks. A duck likes corns. A duck lives in a pond. A rabbit squeaks. The rabbit loves carrots. And a rabbit lives in a burrow. A pig oinks. A pig likes vegetables. A pig lives in a pigsty. A cow moos. A cow eats grass. A cow lives in a shed. A goat bleeds. A goat eats grass. A goat lives in a pen. A sheep bleeds. A sheep eats grass. A sheep lives in the pen. A horse neighs. A horse eats grass. A horse lives in a stable. Alright, children, I hope you remember all the 10 farm animals that we learned today. And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.